Okay, so here's example A. Daniel is selecting a sock from his drawer. He chooses a sock at random, puts it on, and then selects a second sock at random. What is the probability that Daniel selected a striped sock both times? Okay, so if he puts the sock on, that means that he's not putting it back in the drawer. Okay, that makes this dependent. Okay, so our first event, well, how many events are there actually? He chooses a sock at random. That is event 1. Then he selects a second sock at random. That is event 2. Okay, but what does he want to get? What are his favorable outcomes? Okay, so for event 1, it says he wants a striped sock, and event 2, it says he wants a striped sock. So he wants the same thing both times. All right, so event 1. First thing we need to know is how many total outcomes there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, you would be amazed how many people miscount like socks or candles. See how I do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wrote it down. I am fully capable of counting. I am, pretty good. I've been doing it for a long time. But I will still do this. Why? Because everybody makes mistakes. A lot of people accidentally count 5 or 7. Okay, so I do that. Alright, so event 1, favorable. He wants a striped sock. How many striped socks are there? Here's one, and here's one. So that is 2 favorable outcomes. And he puts it on. That means that one of these socks is now gone. Oh, it's on his foot. It's not in the drawer anymore. So for event 2, how many socks does he have available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 socks for him to choose from. And how many of them are striped? Remember, this one is gone, so it doesn't count. There's only 1 striped sock left. Okay, so that's your table. It's set up correctly. Now all you have to do is simplify and multiply, or multiply and simplify, however you want to do it. Okay, I'm going to multiply straight across first. 2 times 1 is 2, and 6 times 5 is 30. Now I'm going to simplify. Those are both divisible by 2. And if you have 2 as your numerator, there's not much that you can do with it. Only thing you can is divide by 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 leaves us with 1, and 30 divided by 2 gives us 15. So my answer is 1/15. Now, let's do it the other way. Simplify before you multiply. 2 over 6 times 1 over 5. Okay, I see 2 and 6 are both divisible by 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 gives me 1, and 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. So, now I have 1/3 times 1/5. There's nothing else that I can simplify, so multiply straight across. I get 1 times 1, which is 1, over 3 times 5, which is 15. The exact same answer I got over there. Okay, go ahead and do the your turn.